Hey everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Today we'll be showing you some simple easy hairstyles. For that you have to take small section of the hairs, roll it and fix it on the top like this. Fix it carefully. Now make the plaits on the hairs. Join the hairs like this, fix it and fold it upward and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After that, fix it from the between. You can follow the same step a few more times. Now make the plaits on all the hairs, rotate it upward and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. After that, tie all the hairs. Now divide it from the between, fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs, tie it like this and make the plaits. After that, take the hairs from the sides again and rotate it. Pull out the hairs from the sides little bit. Now again rotate the hairs, pull out the hairs and fix it. Follow the same step for the few more times. Make the plaits and fold it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it and fold it upward and roll it. And it's ready. Next, we will tie the ponytail. Using this rotating tool, we will pull the hairs like this from the sides. Now make the plaits if you want, otherwise you can divide it from the between and fix it like this and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then roll it upward like this. Now roll the plaits around it and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Divide it from the between, put the hairs like this and fold it using this bun pin and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs from the sides by making the plaits like this. Join it one by one, fix it and then roll it upward and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Divide it from the between, fold it upward and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. Fold it upward like this after that and make a bun. Now take the hairs from the sides and then fold it around the bun like this. Fix it carefully and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs and then rotate it. After that, pull out the hairs from the sides and make a bow on the top. Now make the plaits, pull out the hairs and roll it to make a flower. Fix it in the between and your hairstyle is ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and then rotate it upward. Divide it from the between and keep rotating it like this. Fix it, now make the plaits and fold it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs by dividing it. Make the plaits on each side of the hairs. Make the plaits very carefully as we are making. Now after that, we will fold it upward and fix it like this. Make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it like this and then rotate it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, rotate it like this. Now divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fold it upward and fix it. Divide the hairs and make the plaits like this. Now roll it upward and fix it using this bun pin and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and then join it on the back and then rotate it. Divide the hairs, fold it and then spread it like this. Join the hairs and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then fold it like this. Again, fold it and fix it one by one as shown in the video. Follow these steps and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.